What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw Olaf from Frozen. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the inside edge of the nose. Let's start in the center of the page and draw a curve like a C shape going out towards the left and then back in. Now from the top, I'm just going to bend this out and then down towards the tip of the nose. Go to the bottom, bend this out and then up. Let's add two curves along the inside of the nose, starting with the left, going all the way around. Go to the outside and do that again. Now you want to tuck the eyes in behind the nose. We're going to start right in the middle. We'll draw a circle going around the left side, come down and then in, go back to the center, go up and out towards the right, and then tuck that in behind the nose. Now I'm going to draw two small circles pulled in towards the inside. Let's start with the one on the left. Going all the way around, and then up. And we'll line that up on the right side. And then we'll fill the inside of the pupils. Now we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's start over on the left side. Curve this down. Bend this in towards the middle, and then back up on the right. Let's add a bracket on the corners of the mouth, going out and then down. Let's add that tooth in the center. From the sides, come straight down, and then we'll round at the bottom and go back up. Now from here, we're going to draw the bottom of the mouth. Let's start over on the left, come down, round out the mouth, go across, and then up on the right. Now let's move out and draw on the cheeks. Just up above the corner of the mouth, go around and then down. And come down and just bend that in towards the mouth. Let's bend the side of the head, coming down towards the jaw. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's go back up to the top of the cheeks. We're going to curve the side of the head, coming in, and we'll bend that up. Let's go back over towards the left side, round at the top of the head, go across, and then back down. Now I'm going to add the eyebrows on top of the eyes. Start from the outside, come up, and then in, and leave a gap in the center, go out and down towards the right. Now from the inside, draw a straight line going up, taper this out, and then down towards the end on the left and right side. Now let's go back and fill the inside of the eyebrows. Now we're going to add some branches on top of the head. We're going to start right in the middle, bend this up and out towards the right. Let's flatten off the end. We'll follow that same curve coming back down. Let's add a shorter branch going out towards the left. So bend this up and out. Flatten off the end. And then bring that back in. Let's add one more going out towards the right. Now let's move down and draw the top section of the body. We're going to start on the left side of the chin. Let's draw an oval, going all the way around towards the center, go up and in on the right. Now the bottom section is a little bit bigger. Let's start over on the left, bend this out, come all the way down towards the bottom, go across, and then pull that up on the right side. Now I'm going to add one circle on the top and two on the bottom. Let's start with the one on the top, and then we'll work our way down. Let's use a thick black marker and fill the inside of each of those circles. Now along the bottom, we're going to shift the legs out towards the left. So let's start with the right leg in the center. So we start over on the left side, bend this around and in, go to the right, do the same thing, and then we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's bring the left leg up towards the side. Going out and then down, come down to the bottom, come down and out, and then round up the bottom of the foot. Now let's go back up and draw the arms stretched out towards the side. We start from the left side of the body, bend this out, and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add the thumbs pointing in. Come in and up, round out the thumb, and then come back down. Now I'm going to add 2 fingers on the outside. Bend this out and up. Round out the finger, and then pull that back in. Let's add 1 more finger, going out and up. Round out the finger, just pull that back in towards the wrist. Let's follow the curve of the arm about halfway. Stop right about there. Let's add a bump, going out and back in. And then we'll finish off that curve coming in towards the side of the body. And we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Olaf from Frozen. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.